Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one of the most interesting and useful topics in engineering, that is complex numbers. When students first hear the word imaginary, they often think it means something that is not real, but it is not true. Imaginary numbers are not fake numbers. They are mathematical ideas developed to solve the problems that we cannot solve only using real numbers. Now you may ask, why should an electrical engineering student study complex numbers? Here is the answer. Every day when you switch on a fan, air conditioner, refrigerator or washing machine, they work using alternating current. Unlike a battery, AC currents continuously changes its directions and magnitude. To analyze these changing voltages and currents, engineers would normally need lengthy trigonometric calculations. Instead, they use complex numbers which make these calculations simple, faster, and more accurate. That's why complex numbers are the foundation of AC circuit analysis, and you will use them in subjects like network analysis, power systems, power electronics, electrical machines, and control systems. Before we learn the definition, you just think about a real life situation. Imagine you are inside a shopping mall. To reach a particular shop, you first walk 8 meters along the corridor and then you take the lift and go up by 2 floors. Now, think carefully. Your final position is depends on two different moments. The first moment is along the corridor and the second moment is upward using the lift. We can represent these two moments in a single mathematical expression. Z is equal to 8 plus 2i, where 8 is the movement along the corridor and 2i is the movement using the lift. Similarly, every complex number consists of two parts. Now let's define a complex number. A complex number is written as Z is equal to a plus ib. Take Z is equal to 8 plus 2i. Here 8 is the real part and 2 is the imaginary part. Now what is complex variable? A complex number like 5 plus 3i is a fixed value. If you write Z is equal to x plus iy, where x and y are variables, then Z can represent infinitely many complex numbers. That's why Z is called the complex variable. Complex numbers are used not only in electrical engineering, but also in electronics and communications, signal processing, control system, robotics, quantum mechanics, artificial intelligence, computer graphics, and Fourier transform and Laplace transform. So, complex numbers are not just mathematical symbols. They are powerful tools that help engineers solve real-world problems. In the next video, we will explore each concept with more examples and numerical problems. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep exploring.